Here we have to discuss about epistasis under genetics. You see the definition: phenotypic expression of a gene or alleles of a gene may be masked or suppressed by a non-allelic gene in the same organism. Must understand what is non-allelic gene. Every gene occupying a locus on the chromosome. Accordingly, the gene at one locus may be considered non-allelic to the gene at another locus, even on the same chromosome. If they are allelic pairs, they may occupy the corresponding locus on the homologous chromosome. Now here we can understand the process of epistasis with an example. Now in this case you see in a summer squash velleri fruit, there the color is determined by two genes of two loci, different loci. That's why they are said to be non-allelic. Now here you see W, a gene which is non-allelic to G, another gene. Now the W able to produce white color fruit, and the G separately able to produce yellow color. But when this G exists along with the W, there the phenotypic expression will be of white color. So the G cannot express its yellow color in the presence of the W in dominant condition. So you can assume the W is masking the effect of the phenotypic effect of G gene. Here you see only when this W is in homozygous recessive condition, the capital G is able to produce yellow colored fruit. And also here you see only when this W is in homozygous recessive condition, this homozygous recessive G can produce its effect in the form of green color. So the small g can produce green color. Capital G are in heterozygous condition, capital G small g can produce yellow color. But in the presence of WW, which even though may be a non-allelic gene, will suppress the effect of the G from producing yellow color. So the W will independently produce white color, at the same time suppress the effect of the capital G or the G gene in general from producing either yellow color or green color. Even here you see the effect of small g also being suppressed in the presence of capital W and the heterozygous form, capital W, small w. So even though the W is non-allelic to G, the W is able to suppress the effect, expressive ability of the G. Accordingly, it is said to be dominant epistasis, because the dominant form of W able to suppress the effect of whether capital G or small g. And one more example you see. This capital C is able to produce black on its own, and this capital A is able to produce albino on its own when the other gene, A in this case, C in this case, are recessive. But when they are together in dominant condition, the capital C and the capital A, whether in homozygous or heterozygous condition, this will be resulting in the expression of the form called agouti. Nothing but the animal will have on its cover black as well as an yellow band. Accordingly, there the expression is said to be agouti Now here the examples are guinea pigs, squirrels, mice. Now what happens when this small c getting along with this capital A or capital A small a in heterozygous condition or small a in homozygous recessive condition, and not allowing this capital A to express the yellow color. When it is in dominant condition, it allows this capital A to express its ability to form yellow along with the black. But when it is in recessive condition, it will not allow the capital A to express its yellow character, yellow trait, which would be resulting in albino. Accordingly, here the explanation is the C, when it is in recessive condition, able to suppress the phenotypic expression, yellow phenotypic expression of capital A. Accordingly, this is said to be an example for recessive epistasis. So anyway, the non-allelic pair, non-allelic genes having effect over each other. And here you see some assignments like the non-allelic gene, difference between epistasis and Mendelian dominance. Mendelian dominance, what we mean? The dominance of an allele over its pair allele in heterozygous condition. Say a simple dominance. But here the epistasis stands for the effect of a non-allelic gene over other. And you see the meaning difference between epistatic and hypostatic. And also there are given some types of epistasis with examples in the books. You please go through.